As Jerry said, medical knowledge has universal and eternal significance. And through his investments in research and so many other areas of our future, so does Jerry. Jerry's impact on neuroscience cannot be overstated, and while his focus was local in Boston, the impact he had in biomedical research was global and across so many areas of basic science, medicine, and health. On a personal note, I have been so fortunate to wear the title of Phyllis and Jerome Lyle Rappaport MGH Research Scholar since 2016. Jerry and the Foundation's investment in me, like so many others, has allowed me to take scientific risks, to be bold, and to begin testing my biggest ideas.
I'm proud to say that I was the first Rappaport Fellow at Brigham and Women's Hospital. My research was on Alzheimer's disease together with Dr. Dennis Selko, and we studied the molecular changes that occur in the brains of people who succumb to Alzheimer's disease. So the fact that he supported my PhD studies at Harvard Medical School was wonderful, and I'm very thankful.
By my count, Jerry's vision has now supported 38 MGH Research Fellows, 5 MGH Research Scholars, 24 McLean Hospital Mental Health Research Scholars, 14 Brigham and Women's Hospital Clinical Innovation Awards. In total, that's 81 scientists that were directly and significantly impacted by Jerry's vision. While that's a big number on its own, personally, I think it was Jerry's continued dedication to an investment in young scientists that shaped neuroscience in Boston.
Most everything we do is very high risk, but potentially high benefit. And so this is very tough to get funded from like the NIH or more conservative foundations. So Cure Alzheimer's Fund is willing to take that chance. And I think I would say that Jerry and Phyllis were really willing to take chances. So at the time we first met, 17 years ago, this idea of scanning the whole human genome for Alzheimer's genes seemed impossible. Now it's just commonplace. But we were the first ones to do it.
Phyllis was one of the founders of Cure Alzheimer's Fund, and we wouldn't be here today and we wouldn't have the impact that we have had without her. And as a result, Phyllis brought Jerry with her when she founded the organization, and he was a wonderful contributor to our board meetings. No matter how obscure our topics, and often they were because Alzheimer's is a very complex disease, Jerry could sit quietly for a long time and then suddenly ask the most insightful, incisive question that really challenged us to do more and think better.
We were the first ones to do a whole genome screen. And now in Alzheimer's disease, the biggest thing right now is the role of what's called neuroinflammation in the brain and these genes that control that. Because of Jerry and Phyllis and Cure Alzheimer's Fund, we started that whole thing going. We found the first gene in Alzheimer's that leads to neuroinflammation, and that now is the biggest thing in the entire field. And it started with Little Cure Alzheimer's Fund and the belief from Jerry and Phyllis that something big was possible, even though it was very high risk.